Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'll be reviewing this flat iron from Duvolle and let you guys know what I think about it. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway, so keep watching to see how you can enter to win. This is what the iron looks like straight out of the box. I really love the color, but putting it to the test is my priority right now. So I went for one of my oldest wigs that haven't been washed or brushed or have any kind of love in a long time to test the iron on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on to show you guys what it looks like. Whoa, hold up. I don't even want to say what I look like with this wig on right now, but I'm destined to see what this flat iron could do for my wig. This wig has been sitting in my wig collection now for about a year, so I was thinking this would be the best wig for the job. I'm not gonna wash it today before I flat iron it because, like I said, I want to see how good this iron really is. I put it on my mannequin head, spray some water on it that's mixed with some leave-in conditioner, and then I dried it with my blow dryer. And this is only to loosen it up a little bit and soften it up since it looks so matted. This is a cord of the flat iron. I like the fact that it has this velcro strap on it, which means when I'm done using it I could always wrap it back up, and if I need to go somewhere with it, it will be nicely folded. On the flat iron, it has a on and off button, a indicator light, and also a wheel to adjust the temperature. It goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's the temperature I will be using today. It was a bit hard turning the wheel with my nails, but I made it happen. I took out a small section of the hair to flat iron. Just so you know guys, the smaller your sections are, the better the curls are gonna come out. I first went over it with the flat iron, then I went over it a second time with the comb in front of the flat iron to keep the hair nice and straight. And then for the third time I curled the hair, and I will show you in another clip a better look at how I curled the hair. I then wrapped the hair around my finger and then pin it in place with a hair clip. So yeah, I went ahead and did these spin curls all over, and if you was doing this on your head, you could actually put a bonnet over it and go to sleep and wake up the next morning with nice curls. I know a lot of people have problems curling their hair with a flat iron, but it is so easy. Once you get a hang of it, you'll see it is really not as hard as it looks. But like I said, I'll show you guys in a better clip exactly how I'm curling the hair. Before I forget guys, when you make a purchase with this company, if you use my promo code, you will get 70% off. So definitely don't forget to use this code when you're making your purchase. Okay, so in this clip right here, you'll have a better view of how I'm curling the hair. So when I grab the hair with the flat iron, I twist it over, like upside it down, and I bring the hair over with it, and I keep pulling it, and that's how I form the curls with the flat iron. Just remember though guys, not every flat iron will glide on your hair like this, so this may be the reason why some people have problems curling their hair with a flat iron, because sometimes if you're not using the right iron, it will be grabbing onto the hair and you'll feel like you're not doing it right, but it's just because the iron is not a great iron, so it's not gliding on your hair like it should. So far, honestly guys, this iron is doing an amazing job. I'm really not disappointed at all. Now I have the wig on, taking down the curls, and so far I love what I'm seeing. My hair looks so moisturized and I did not wash it, so just imagine. I feel like the flat iron did such a good job on this wig. I mean, you guys can see for yourself. My curls look so bouncy, so juicy, and they have this really nice shine to it. It also feels really soft. I can't believe myself that this is the same wig I had on in the beginning of the video. The wig honestly looked brand new out of the box, and I'm sure you guys would agree with me. So now I'm gonna brush my curls out and show you guys the finished look. Look at how this brush and my fingers are going through the wig so effortlessly. This is what it looks like, guys, but I have to point out that on the right side the curls didn't hold as much as they did on the left side, and this is because my hair was still a little bit damp when I was curling it and I didn't realize, but I still like it. I think it still came out looking beautiful. But like always, I want to hear you guys' opinion, so definitely go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. My honest opinion, I really like it, so you guys definitely gonna be seeing it popping up in more of my videos here and there when I'm curling my hair. I want to say a big thank you to Duvolle for sending me this awesome, amazing product to review. I absolutely love adding new products to my collection of things I love. To enter the giveaway that I'll be doing today, just go ahead and follow the instruction that I'll be leaving on the screen right here. The product in this giveaway is also from this company, so yay! What is it, you may ask? Okay, so it's the Radiance Spin Care System, and I believe you guys are gonna love it. I have one for myself and I really love it. Good luck, everyone. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.